Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about business statistics. Coming to the introduction or definition of the statistics, statistics is a body of principles and techniques of collecting, classifying, presenting, comparing, and interpreting the quantitative data. This definition was given by Tuttle. We will briefly discuss regarding this definition. The first one is collecting. If you take a simple example, we can give you a brief description or the about of this definition. First, for example, 5 friends questioning each other that which toilet soap you are using. The first person is saying that Pierce, second one saying Synthol, third one is saying Lux, fourth member saying that he is using Rexona, and the fifth one is saying that it is Santhor. So this is about the collection of data, the first thing in our definition. So coming to the second one, classifying. How can we classify this data? For example, if you take the Pierce soap, it is in the brand of HUL. Synthol, it comes under Godrej Group. Lux, again it comes from HUL. Rexona, it comes from HUL. Santhor, it comes from Wipro Consumer Care and Lighting Group. This is the classification of data based on their own brand. The next one is presenting. How can we present the data? So if you see this, under HUL, there are 3 persons using that product, and Godrej, only 1 person is using the product. From Wipro, only 1 person is using the product. Coming to the definition, the fourth part, comparing. Here, if you taken it as 100%, HUL brand products are used by the 60% of the people, and 20% of the people are using Godrej Group, and remaining 20% are used by Wipro products. And the fifth part, interpretation. What is meant by interpretation? Means giving a meaningful conclusion for your data. So if you see the fourth part, you know how much share is occupied by each brand. Based on that, we are writing a conclusion like this. The major share in the market is occupied by HUL product, followed by Godrej and Wipro products. This is the way we can express the interpretation. So, and coming to a note, statistical techniques are important tools of decision making in business and commerce. How can it is that much of important in the case of business and commerce? For example, simple example is, for example, I want a cup of tea and I consume the tea 3 times a day. Here, there is a question. Can we make the tea? It is good. Or can we buy a cup of tea? It is good. So, for example, if I buy a cup of tea 3 times a day, I can spend 30 rupees on it. For example, if I make a cup of tea, so the things that requires to make a cup of tea is like this. A milk packet is 10 rupees, tea powder is 5 rupees, sugar pills 5 rupees, gas consumption 5 rupees. If you take like this, it consumes 25 rupees. If you take the monthly consumption, if you buy the product 30 into 30, 900 rupees you have to spend on buying a tea per a month. If you make it, around you can spend only 750 rupees. Oddly, you can save 150 rupees as savings to make a cup of tea per a month.